Changing your brush color in Photoshop is something you will do constantly, so in this video I'm going to show you the fastest and most reliable ways to switch colors instantly. Whether you want a precise shade for professional work, a quick sampled color from your image, or a simple palette for faster workflow, I'll walk you through every method step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most precise method, which is using the color picker. This is the best option when you need an exact color and you want full control over the shade you're selecting. Start by pressing B on your keyboard to activate the brush tool. You can also select it from the toolbar on the left if you prefer using your mouse. Once the brush tool is active, look at the very bottom of the left-hand toolbar. You will see two overlapping color squares. The top square is your foreground color, and this is the color your brush will paint with. The bottom square is your background color, which acts as a backup color. To change the color your brush will use, click once on the top square. As soon as you do that, the color picker window will appear. This is where you can choose the exact color you want. On the right side, you'll see a vertical rainbow slider. Drag that slider to choose the general color family like red, blue, green, or yellow. Then use the large square area to fine-tune the brightness and saturation. Move your cursor around until you find the exact shade you need. When you're happy with it, click OK, and your brush color will be updated immediately. This method is perfect when you need consistency, especially for digital painting, graphic design, or editing projects where the color needs to match branding or specific artwork. If you want something exact, the color picker is the way to go. Now let's move on to the fastest method, which is the eyedropper shortcut. This is especially useful if you are editing a photo or painting over an image and want to sample a color that already exists on your canvas. Instead of opening the color picker, you can grab the color instantly from your image. With the brush tool still active, hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option on Mac. When you do this, your cursor temporarily changes into the eyedropper tool. Now simply click on any pixel in your image that has the color you want to use. Photoshop will sample that exact color and load it into your brush automatically. Once you release the Alt key, you can continue painting with that color right away. This is one of the most useful shortcuts in Photoshop because it saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. If you're blending colors, retouching photos, or matching tones in a design, this shortcut is incredibly efficient. Instead of constantly opening panels or guessing colors, you can just sample directly from the artwork. Next, let's look at the color and swatches panels, which are great if you like having a palette visible while you work. This method is ideal for quick swapping between colors without opening the color picker every time. To access it, go to the top menu and click Window, then choose Color or Swatches. Once the panel opens, it will usually appear on the right side of your workspace. The color panel gives you sliders or a color ramp, while the swatches panel gives you preset color blocks you can click instantly. If you want to change your brush color, just skim across the color ramp or click a swatch, and Photoshop will update your foreground color right away. This is a great workflow for artists and designers who use a limited set of colors repeatedly. It keeps everything visible and makes color switching much faster, especially when you're working on detailed projects or repetitive designs. So to recap, if you need precision, use the color picker. If you want speed and want to match a color already on your image, use the Alt and click Eyedropper shortcut. And if you want quick access to a set palette, use the color or swatches panels. Each method has its own advantage, so once you get comfortable with all three, you'll be able to switch brush colors in Photoshop much faster. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to reset Photoshop brushes, change brush size faster, or create custom brush presets next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.